Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add YouTube videos to Bento in 2026. If you want to showcase your YouTube content directly on your Bento page, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Bento account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the page where you want to display your YouTube video. Next, click the Add Block, Add Link, or Add Content button, depending on the options available in your Bento account. Then choose the option for adding a video or embedding a link. Now open YouTube in another tab and copy the link to the video you want to display. Return to Bento and paste the YouTube URL into the required field. Next, enter a title or short description for the video if Bento gives you that option. This helps visitors understand what the video is about before they click it. Now save the block and arrange it in the position where you want it to appear on your page. You can move it higher or lower depending on your layout. Before publishing, click Preview and test the video to make sure it opens or plays correctly. If something doesn't work, double-check that you copied the correct YouTube link. Finally, save all your changes and visit your public Bento page to confirm the video is displayed correctly for your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add YouTube videos to Bento step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.